In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add an image or a photo on top of your video on InShot video editor. My name is Isaac, and if you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Now, doing that is quite simple. If you want to add a photo here, it is quite simple. All you need to do is to go to this menu here and then scroll until you see this option called PIP. So if you go ahead and tap on PIP, it will go ahead and take us to gallery where we can add the photo. So for instance, I'd like to go ahead and take this photo and then add on my video. So here is the photo. I have added it. Now the next thing I need to do is to go ahead and determine where this photo should be placed. For instance, I want it to be placed here and I want to reduce it to that level. And here we go. It has been inserted. The last thing you need to do is to go ahead and determine the length of your photo. So do you want your photo to cover the entire video or just part of the video? If I leave it at that, it will go ahead and be displayed at only a particular portion, and that is the section that I want it displayed for a specific period of time. However, if I want this photo to cover the entire video, just go ahead and tap on it and then stretch it from the beginning to the end like that. So I can stretch it. So go ahead and move it, and I like it to begin from here so that it covers the entire video. And here we go. It has been inserted from the beginning to the end. So that's how you insert a photo or an image in your videos using InShot video editor. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.